Hi everyone, I'm Benny for Recycling Me. Today is August 1, 2020. I'm glad to meet you through this Recycling Me weekly scrap report. Through this market update, I'm going to update you about how the domestic steel demand is coming up stronger in India, as well as when we can expect a substantial domestic demand in a recovery in India, as well as the figures of steel export for the month of April, May, and June 2020. Also, in the end of the video, I'm going to update you about some of our verified buyers offers details, buying and selling offers details. So let me go into the topic now. Almost the entire countries have been stumbling due to the outbreak of the coronavirus has hit all the manufacturers and exporting sector. I'm really sorry to say that most of around 6.7 lakh people have lost their life due to this infection of this coronavirus. The Indian government has also imposed a national-wide lockdown on last March 25th. So far, we have gone through around 120 days of lockdown. We can also see this impact of the lockdown in the entire sector, as well as the economical sector due to this closure. It is obvious that market players, the steel players, are patiently waiting for any meaningful recovery in demand. So based on that, I have made my previous video that in the name of World Steel short range outlook on steel demand in 2020 and 2021. If you go through that, you will come to know about the steel demand in 2020 and 2021. According to the General Secretary of Steel Association in India, Bhaskar Chatterjee, insignificant demand was being recorded in the month of April and May 2020 due to this countrywide lockdown. But for June 2020, the economy has opened partially and substantial activity started with the hope of recovery of steel demand. Steel producers are hopeful of a substantial steel demand recovery from the third quarter of 2021. So currently, domestic steel producers and steel exporters are concentrating on relying on export. Due to the downturn of domestic mills or domestic demand, mills are largely selling to China, Vietnam, Bangladesh so far. So you can find related to these details in my video that scrap market uptrend on Chinese iron ore and steel price surge. I will tell you about the iron and steel export from India on the month of June. Export of iron and steel from India witnessed a sharp rise of more than 100% in June. Iron and steel export exported to China rose by over 1,400% to 524 million from 35 million in the same month last year. To Vietnam, it went up around 700% to USD 183 million, and to Taiwan, the increase was around 200% to 35 million. As per the CA CAR rating, the consumption of finished steel also improved in the May and June 2020 over the April 2020. It is good to see the finished steel consumption jumped 304% in May 2020 comparing to the April 2020, and continuing to show the improvement in June 2020 as well. So based on that, we can expect a substantial demand recovery from quarter 3. So thanks for the opportunity for the exporting. Also, I want to say that we can hopefully expect the demand of domestic stainless steel from auto components and medical fields and electronics as the Chinese imports are put off. Also, the demand is there from two-wheelers and railways. Also, the household utensils demand will be always there. We have a good news also. The good news is the domestic demand is picking on month basis. You can find in my video that Indian steel industry analysis part 8 video. If you go through, you can find the month on month improvement in the domestic steel demand. You can find more about the consistent month on month improvement. We can also find the consistent month on month improvement in the production of crude steel in last April and May 2020. I will tell you that India produced 3.1 percentage of steel production in April 2020. India produced 5.76 metric ton of crude steel in May 2020. But according to the Ministry of Steel, crude steel production stood 6.8 percentage, 6.8 million metric ton in the month of June 2020, which was 17.7 percentage higher than the May 2020. That's a good news to see that the crude steel production will keep rising on month basis. It's been a great hope for the market players to find the activities in the economic side following to the slow lockdown relaxation. Even though the activities seem slow, they are happy to see that activity as the industrial sector having resumed the 100% operations. Likewise, I can say that better late than ever. However, the most important thing we should concentrate this time is about the re-lockdowns in processing and trading and consumer centers. If the re-lockdown is not continued for long, we can strongly feel by September or end, so the demand should come back to the pre-COVID level. That's a good news for us. In my last update, I have mentioned that Turkey mills and Asian mills have raised their buying price against the Chinese, against the backdrop of stronger Chinese prices for iron ore and steel. The Turkey mills and the Asian mills have kept the trend going last week also. And the scrap price and the scrap market witnessed some more significant movement and uptrend in the increase on the back of fresh booking. Also, I'm intended to share some of the requirement details and selling details of our members, verified members of Recycling Me. They are verified members of Recycling Me. We have a verified member for insulated copper wire scrap, motor scrap and waste paper bales and brass scrap, aluminum extrusion scrap, compressor scrap, battery scrap, PVC profile scrap and much more scrap from Australia, India, UK and USA. If you are in a position to supply those materials, please command us or please contact us through Benny at Recycling Me, or you can contact us through our website, or you can command. We will be contacting you on that. We also have supplies for tire scrap and lead scrap and HMO cement to aluminum scraps, verified supplies. If you are into buying, please contact us back. So thanks for watching. I will be contacting you with the another weekly market update on next week. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.